So you've decided to lift weight, either heavy lifting or just a regular, maybe pull up or push down, whatever it is that you're doing. But now you're messing yourself up. That's the subject of this video. Stay tuned. Hey, I'm Dr. Shakib from Irvine Spinal Wellness Center, your Irvine Chiropractic Posture and Movement Clinic. So the inspiration of this video is what I actually saw last week in the practice, where this individual was doing lifting, but I could see very clearly what he was doing incorrectly. So it's worth doing the video. When you're doing any kind of exercise, your goal should not be how many reps of what with how much weight you're gonna do. Your goal should be finding out how much weight, how many times, how many sets you can do any exercise without losing your form. So the form is the determining factor. Another determining factor you got to keep in mind is to evaluate your weaker side as the limiting side. So what ends up happening in the process of you having the best intention to work out is you're going through the movement and you're doing all the stuff I said. So you're paying attention to the form, but what you're not paying attention to is that the weaker side gets tired faster. So to catch up with the stronger side, your brain is going to borrow other muscles to push through the move. And that creates more dysfunction. That's like you grabbing a knife and going over a scratch on a table that you're trying to fix. So be careful. Your determining factor is always the weaker side and the form. So the general rule for the form always is to keep the rectangle rectangular. If the activity involves the extremities, then the extremities are shoulder down, hip down, not shoulder and shoulder blade, not shoulder and neck, not leg and pelvis. So you gotta keep the rectangular shape here, rectangle, your barrel nicely intact, and a neutral spine for the torso area and the neck, like so, and then do the exercises. I hope this helped. This should prevent a lot of real serious injuries. And if you have any questions, make sure you use one of the methods of contact in the description box to contact me. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, check out my podcast, and if you need to make an appointment, contact the office. Until next time, take care.